The best operation theatres in Hanoi is the outpatient department where the patient's 560 slices in the CT scan. Telling this is the restaurant in the hospital.
Okay, so today I will show you around the first one, the general department of the hospital. Also, the second one is obstetric and gynecology of the hospital. And the last one, we go to the fourth floor, which have a plastic surgery, physiotherapy, and also we show you around the Ngoc Eatery restaurant there. Okay? Okay, good. Now we go to the
Okay, that's okay. So we have per day OPD is 1,000 patients. So this is the ECG room. Slowly we'll go. This is hematology. So this is the outpatient department where the patients come for their checkups and regular checkups. And from the fourth floor they have the inpatient rooms. That's the rooms for the patients, which is a regular occupancy, and they have a VIP occupancy and everything here. And this is an international hospital, so most of the doctors and including the patients speak good English. People who come here will be like mostly foreigners and international patients, and they can speak good English in this hospital. The students will have a better interaction with the patients and the doctors. The doctors can teach them in a better way because 80-90% of the doctors who work here speak good English. So this is the EEG room. So this is the dental department. So this is the ultrasound room. You can take a. This is the mammography room. It's X-ray room.
Also, we have a CT scanner here, which is one of the most modern CT scanner.
Okay, this is the CT scan control room. That they have 2,560 slices in the CT scan. So this is the best one. So they have all the equipments and the machineries, the technology is a very high-end technology. So that is the level of hospital. That's how the patients are floor, and our students are going to get trained in this hospital for Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy. This is the CT scanner. One of the best CT scanner in Vietnam, which is 2,560 slices, 2,560 slices. So I think so no other hospital in Vietnam will have this scanner, and this hospital is situated in Hanoi, and they are partnered with the Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy, where our students are going to get trained in this hospital in Hanoi. Yeah, the one of the best brand. GE is one of the best brand, and they don't compromise on the investments in terms of equipments or anything else, isn't it, Miss? Yeah, this is one of the best hospitals in Hanoi. Yeah, that is a control room where the doctors diagnose the patients. So that's, I think so, it's one of the highly equipped machineries are there in this laboratory. So I like the ceiling, so that makes the patients to feel good when they get into the CT machine. You know, they have something nice to see. So they're thinking everything in detail. Yeah. This is the MRI room, and this is the procedure room where the patients need to get any medicines or any medications. Okay, so this is an ECG room.
Yes.
Yeah, this is an ECG room where I think so you have one of the best equipments. Okay, 6 ultrasound room, I'm sorry. And they have more than 2 X-ray rooms and MRI rooms, CT scanner. So this hospital is a state-of-the-art infrastructure, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my God, there are some massage chairs for the patients to get relaxed when they come here. That's a good yeah, yes. So this is the radiology consultation room where the doctors be here. So this they consult the patients, and we are getting into the emergency lobby. This is where the emergency is there. So we'll just go there. Patients. So they have two gates. One is for the emergency patients and gate 2 is for the normal patients. The patients here. So this is the emergency ward, and this looks like a 5-star hotel to me. It looks like a star hotel to me. It doesn't look like a hospital. So you feel so good when you come here. The patients can sit and relax. So they feel good when they are here. Now we are going to the OBG department in the second floor. This is the OBG department of Ngoc Hospital in Hanoi, where the Dynam students, the Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy students will be getting trained in this hospital, and especially the international students, the students from India will get trained in this hospital. So you have OBG department, it's really crowded, very crowded. This is one of the very important department in the hospital. OPD department for OBG. For gynecology department, you can see the crowd here. It's super crowded. This is a prenatal minor procedure room. So this is one of the famous department in the hospital. So they are constructing the phase 2 for the same department. So this is already 300 bedded hospital. In the phase 2, they are planning to have 200 more bedded hospital. And I'm so very happy and proud to have our students here to get trained in your hospital.
Areas in another floor.
So this department has outpatient and inpatient in the same floor, and you have your own ultrasound room in this own department. So you don't need to go to the ground floor for the radiology thing.
Yeah,
that's a good thought. So they have their ultrasound rooms here. So I have seen minimum they have at least 10 to 15 ultrasound machines in the hospital. So that's the amount of infrastructure the people have. So this is again an ultrasound consultation room. Oh, they have nearly 300 doctors who are permanent working in this hospital, and they will be having a consultation doctors as well. So minimum of Hanoi. Okay, so they have 2 hospitals which is established in 2003, and the second one is 2021, and beside this they have 5 clinics in Hanoi, and you're coming up with another phase 2 level of the same hospital, right?
Yes.
Oh, a lot. So this is, we are heading to the delivery room now. They have the operation theatres also for the C-section, and they also have the normal delivery rooms, labor rooms here, and the neonatal session where the newborn babies have been treated by the pediatricians. So this one floor has end-to-end service right from OPD till the inpatient, the OTs, and the neonatal session. So the mother need not to go anywhere else. So they have all the facilities available in one floor. Traditional medicine department, which says that the students need to, the patients who have underwent the surgery or anything, so they get the treatment here in rehabilitation and traditional medicine. Yeah. Very interesting department, especially for ladies, and this is the plastic surgery department, where this is one of the famous plastic surgery department in Hanoi. And I also want to mention this hospital, Ngoc Hospital is the first private hospital in Hanoi. So that's a very important note to be mentioned. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the plastic surgery department. Shall we go inside? Yes. It looks like a 5-star hotel again. So this is mostly looks like more of a aesthetic look. It's so good. It's so mostly the plastic surgery department. Of course, they handle the fire burns and some scars. Still, there's more about a cosmetic thing, aesthetic thing on the face, on the body. That's more about cosmetic, yeah. And today, that's a need of the hour. The consultation room for the department. Yeah? Okay. So this is the conference center of the hospital where they have the events happening like seminars, workshop, conferences. And okay, in the hospital when the students come, before going to the clinical training, before going to their internship, the students will be having their classes, the orientation classes from the doctors and the professors in this hall. So around 200 people can sit in this hall. I'm seriously telling, this is the restaurant in the hospital. We are not into any 5-star hotel or any restaurant outside. This is the restaurant, what is there in the hospital, and I love these oranges. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Okay, can I have an orange juice please? One orange juice, no sugar, less ice. Okay. So this is the neonatal unit where you have the mother and the baby here. So that's we are going to the inpatients. So this is a newborn audiometry room. This is the neonatal department. I'm talking little slow and soft because I don't want to disturb the babies who are here.
So you can see that is one of the inpatient room for the patient if they are going to the hospital for treatment.
This room is the patient's inpatient room for a neonatal department. That is the newborn babies, and the mother and the baby cradle is also there. So you have a intercom, you have all the facilities, a monitoring system, and of course a beautiful view here for the patients. So this is the room for the patients.
Người nhà, family member.
Oh, your family member is a patient here. Hello. So she's there.
K là điểm cao nhất đúng không ạ? So today until now we have a four
from morning till now it's not even 10 o'clock. So we have nearly 4 births from morning. Okay.
Like for every day we have around 10 to 15 cases.
Okay.
And to the peak of the periods we have received 30 cases.
Okay, so every day you have 10 to 15 cases of childbirth, and maximum it has been 30 cases also. There are days when you had 30 cases of childbirth also. So that's a very big number. That's a really large number. That's good. Thank you so much.
Yes.
A lot of numbers. I just want to say, not many hospitals have so many childbirths like as I heard from them that they have 30 childbirths a day, and it's one of the biggest gynecology department, OBG department, and as I already mentioned that they're going to have a phase 2 of the same gynecology and neonatal department because this hospital is known for an OBG. The surgical recovery department. So we are getting into the OT, the operation theatre. Okay, they have 10 operation theatre in this floor, and they have 2 extra in the OBG floor for the C-sections and other labor services, right? So they have 10 in this floor and 2 in the extra. Totally this building has 12 operation theatres.
All
the rooms here are the operation theatres.
Yes.
And there are a lot of students in other countries, they don't get an opportunity to go, they experience the OT, the operation theatres, the surgeries. And here in Vietnam, from the second year onwards, in fact, some colleges in the Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy, from first year they get an experience to go see a surgery, to go support or help the doctors in the operation theatre. That is the best advantage in Vietnam, and especially in Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy. So this is an ENT. This is an ENT, ear, throat department, operation theatre. There's some surgery going on in the ENT department. So this operation theatre with the state-of-the-art infrastructure, if you see, it's so clean, neat, well equipped. They have every services, they have all the equipments required for a surgery. So this is one of the finest and the best operation theatres in Hanoi, and that is in Ngoc Hospital, which is associated with Dynam University of Medicine and Pharmacy, and our Indian students are going to get trained in this theatre. So we can see our students here from this first year onwards to experience the OTs, and from third or fourth year they will start helping the surgeons in the operation theatres. Department of Cardiology. So, and the opposite you have the intensive care unit.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So we have this treadmill test. We have the rooms, the consultation rooms, and this is the inpatient ward where the cardiac patients, they are treated here. And